without consulting stakeholders.
The government has partially imposed a mandatory vaccination program by outlawing entry into government buildings for unvaccinated citizens. This is part of heightened measures aimed at averting the COVID-19 fourth wave. Health Minister Sylvia Masebo announced the measures during a joint COVID-19 situation update Sunday night by her ministry in conjunction with local government, transport and information and media ministries. She says the measures will come into effect on Tuesday, November 30th, 2021. Ms. Masebo says it will be a requirement for civil and public services officer to be vaccinated for them to be admitted to work, but this will be done in consultation with unions. The minister says that travelers coming into Zambia will be quarantined for 10 days at their own cost, while local authorities and the Zambia police will continue with inspections for adherence to the COVID-19 guidelines.
The cumulative number of confirmed cases recorded to date in Zambia now stands at 210,143, including 3,667 deaths. The Health Organization has announced the emergence of a new COVID-19 variant of concern, VOC, now called Omicron. As such, countries are asked to enhance surveillance and sequencing efforts to better understand circulating SARS-CoV-2 variants. In this regard, it is imperative that public health measures be heightened to avert the risk of Zambia experiencing another wave of COVID-19. A fourth wave could overwhelm our health system, including our economy. The government of the Republic of Zambia, through the leadership of His Excellency, Mr. Hakainde Hichilema, convened the Council of Ministers on Epidemics and Disaster Management, which was chaired by Her Honor the Vice President of the Republic of Zambia, Mrs. W.K. Mutale Nalumango, MP. In order to address the threats of the new variant Omicron and to prevent the advent of a possible imminent fourth wave, government has taken the following public health measures that will come into effect on Tuesday, 30th of November, 2021. 1. Surveillance at all points of entry will be heightened. Both testing for SARS-CoV-2 and vaccination will be conducted. These are airports, road border ports, sea entry points, and illegal entry points. 2. All travelers coming from high-risk countries will be quarantined for 10 days in designated places at all costs. Local authorities and the police service will continue inspection of all public places for adherence to public health measures for COVID-19 control. They will also ensure the public places are fumigated frequently. 4. Public transport operators must ensure masking up, hand sanitizing, and physical distancing by restricting the number of passengers in respect of the bus size. Operators are also to regularly sanitize their buses. 5.
When people believe that there is no resurrection after death, pessimists have been shamed as the country's flag bearer, Zambia Airways, has returned to the skies